Hey everyone, welcome to our channel ERPZ. In this video, we will walk through the step-by-step process of assigning roles to a user account in Oracle Fusion. A key task for managing user roles and responsibilities. In EBS, it is called responsibilities, and in Fusion, it is called roles. Once you have logged into Oracle Fusion, navigate to security, navigate to security console. This is where all user roles and access management begins. In the security console, use the search bar to find the user to whom you want to assign the roles. You can search by name, username, or email. Click the user's name to open their profile. Click on the username to view their profile details. Here, you will see information like account status, email, and currently assigned roles to a user account. To assign a new role, click the Add Role button. This will open a new pop-up window showing available roles in the system. Search for general accountant or another role in the search field. Now, select the roles and click on Save. Save and close. Review the list of roles you have added. Once everything looks good, click Save and Close to apply the same changes. Now, we'll quickly jump into the system and see how to assign the roles to a user account. You have logged into Oracle Fusion instance. This is known as landing page or springboard. Click on this navigator icon, or it is also known as hamburger icon. Click on this, click on the navigator, go to tools, security console, go to users, search your user account. Now click on edit. Now here you can see add role. Here you can add role. Click on add role membership. Click on done. Here you can see we have added the new role to our user account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more Oracle Fusion content and drop your questions in the comment section below. See you in the next video.